Alright guys, we're at Cardenas. Look at this big ass conchita. Woo! We got ourselves some bread for today. We got some bread. Now we're gonna go and cook our dinner. Oh no, we gotta get chicken. So let's go. I did not know that Cardenas actually does cheesecake factory. Oh. Alright guys, so we got some mangoes for chamoy y tajin, which I'm so excited about. Richard is getting the watermelon, so oh my god, I'm so hungry. Every time we're here, we literally splurge on all the cakes. Yeah, we'll take it. Alright guys, so we're home now. We just put everything away, but Richard's doing something really weird with the Corona beer, and I don't know, he said he's seen it somewhere, but let me show you.
So I basically put chamoy on the rim of an unopened can of beer. Now people usually dip it, but let's see, then you go like this.
Oh, look at you.
Yes, it's very messy. It looks. But there's your Corona, guys. In a can.
Yeah, we can put that there.
That's what it was at.
Goodbye things.
Goodbye. Bye shoes.
I want to try these people. This is so good. She put lavender in the matcha.
Ooh, that is pretty good. That tastes really nice, actually.
Ooh. You guys, I got matcha and lavender put together, iced, deliciosos. Let's see what Living Spaces has to offer. Comfy?
Very comfy.
Really? This is comfy.
This is very
I
comfy.
feel like we go in though.
It's a little cushiony, I will say.
Cushiony?
Super cushiony.
This one is on sale for $18.86. And is it the collection of Joanna?
I would assume so, yeah. I think so. Magnolia.
I love this one. See, that's pretty cool. Ooh. So it'd be this one right here. What you guys think? Ugh, I don't know about the price though. But I do like it. It's very comfortable, and quite frankly, I like how that is a little higher. But we would just need what? 1, 2, 3, 4.
For ours, I think that
Right?
the 3 ones would kind of
I
fit
think
in
so.
our apartment.
I think so. Wow, this place is huge, huh? All right, I want to try as much couches as we can so we can have like options.
Let's see. What about that little one there? That kind of similar to the one before. No, I haven't.
I saw that one, but I just feel like,
It looks a little too big. The fabric on it.
yeah. Yeah, this is too big, but it's cheap. It's cheaper. That seems big though.
It's too big.
I think so too. I really like the other one.
The other one seems to be the best one so far. That one is over 3,000.
Phew, yeah, that's
versus
pretty
the
steep.
Ikea one.
I believe so. Look how nice it is. Ooh, and I like how it has that lip there. Oh, that is so cute. It's just the tail is broken. I find it so cute though.
How much was the other one? 16?
Yeah.
$400 less than the other ones.
I like how it's like rounded though. It's not bad. This is a cute little closet. But not for $11.95. Jeez. That's pretty cool. That's an outdoor recliner. Look at you. Hey, this is not bad, this one right here. Has like a little fire pit and everything. God. We got soaked.
Yeah, we did.
Good
We
Lord.
attempted to barbecue.
No, it did not go well.
Let's just say we still got a ways to go.
Long ways to go. You guys, it was like pouring rain and then like windy. Oh my God. And then I lost Richard, look. Oh, hell no.
Crossing the road.
Did you see the wind?
You're like,
Yeah.
it almost touched and pulled you.
Oh my God, you guys, look how soaked Richard's jumper is and his pants are completely soaked. Oh my God, look at that. Ozzy, what's wrong? Itchy? Itchy boy? Ah. You're so cute. You don't want to go outside, Ozzy, trust me. Seriously. Oh, good. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna finish off the steak here. That's how far we got. Yeah. Before the rain started pouring.
Deep dish pizzas. In 8 minutes, I'm defaulting on Joe's 29-minute guarantee. Then... Oh, he stole that guy's pizza!
Alright guys, so we had to come back to Foxtail Coffee Shop. I got a rose matcha with banana foam. So happy. Now we are going to Ikea and check out on some couches because we went to Living Spaces yesterday and we found a few that we liked, but not something that we were like, let's pull the trigger. So we're gonna go check out Ikea and see if we find anything there. So let's go. Good Lord. How good is that?
Oh, that's delicious. Got that cold foam, literally. Cold foam.
The comb?
That cold foam tastes like banana milk.
God, it's so good. Oh, it's bumpy. Oh. No Chick-fil-A sauce?
No banana cold foam sauce? No banana cold foam sauce?
You guys, Richard asked a question, like, because obviously he's a real estate, like, agent, and so he asked, like, what's the commission, and the lady got so offended just asking, because it was, like, one of those, it's not cookie cutter homes, what are they called? They've got a name to it.
I guess you could say, well, I don't know if that one's a master plan community, but I guess it could be. Because
it is,
it's got like the little park.
Yeah.
A little crabby.
But yeah, so it's like a cookie cutter home, but I guess the proper way to say it is master planned community. And so he asked, like, hey, like if I bring someone to you, what's the commission? And she got hella offended, and I was like, come on, like it's just a question, you know? And yeah, like what if we do, you know, bring someone? And I don't know, like they go so like just weird, and I was just like, no, no, thank you. I think I'm good this one.
Oh yeah, that one also.
That like the foam. Delicioso. Well, lemonade. They come in peace. Alright, let's go check out Ikea. Looks like they have a spring sale. What's on sale though? Oh, that's cute. So we're at the cafeteria in Ikea. We are going to get the chicken tenders for $8.99. Well, chicken tendies. You excited?
These are pretty good.
I think so. Why are you grabbing Cholula for?
Why not? Alright, I just want the Cholula.
Alright, let's go. A little salt and pep. Let's go. Cheap. I didn't realize how cheap it was.
Because if you come after 6, five.
Yeah. Not bad. Your Cholula?
Cholula goes out.
Alright guys, so we are done eating in Ikea. A lot of people left. Like they actually left the whole store. Like it's crazy, and it's on Saturday, so these jars. $3.99. What is it?
No, look, a little ice cream.
Oh, okay. Alright, let's go.
We don't know quality wise.
Whoa. That is so freaking cool.
That would be perfect for Jesus.
And you just like carry it like that. You can carry it to the gym, and if someone, wow.